My name is Ibrahim. I'm Turkish myself. I have been living in Hong Kong over 10 years. Our name is Mosaic. Mosaic means diversity in Turkish. So I can tell that we want to bring every level of society here in the same table to sit together and to do the same thing. Actually, Mosaic is one of the oldest art form in the world. It has thousands of years of history, I guess around 4,000 years. It has started in Mesopotamia. It was kind of used as a pixel at the beginning to make big pictures. So after Mesopotamia, it has moved to Egypt. It has been used in especially garnishing the ships. And then we have seen in Roman Empire, where they start using in the churches. And then it moved to Ottoman Empire, where we have Turkey now. For the first time in Ottoman, it has been used as a lightning item. And it became part of the culture in Turkey. Still today we have been using it, but especially in touristic destinations or like some cafes, because the lighting is not strong enough today to use, to read, so we are using as a decoration item. We are providing common patterns, traditional patterns to our students for them to follow. These patterns are highly inspired from the Islamic culture, Islamic art, I can tell. These designs are keep continuous and getting bigger and bigger. So it reminds us the infinity. They are the combination of the triangles and squares. The triangles it's reminding us today, tomorrow, and also yesterday, let's say, the history. Square, they are the combination of reminders of God. The main materials that we use is glass. These are all hand cut. We are buying large big sheets and we are cutting it. We are also using glass globes to stick those ones with the glues, let's say. And after that we are making a special coating for each glass. We are making a special procedure to make it much longer lifelong. At the moment we have 2 more workshops, which is popular as well. We are offering Turkish coffee workshops. The other workshop that we offer is Ebru water marbling. It is basically painting on water and take that painting on silk scarves.
Can you tell us about the toughest experience you have opening a workshop here?
Oh, there are many. It's not one actually. There are many difficulties in here. Especially I believe the manpower is a problem here. It's quite expensive. We are having actually like 2 to 3 pallets each piece carrying by ourselves, putting in the shelves because we don't have space. So actually, yeah, it comes to the space issue. Since we don't have a space, we need to keep bringing down, bringing up, keep bringing down, bringing up. The space is the biggest problem here in Hong Kong, I can tell, like everyone. So the Hong Kong people know well about Turkey, but they're interested, they like to go to Turkey, but because of the pandemic, they were not able to go. So we are promoting the culture, we are promoting the experience right here before letting them to go, before needing to go all the way there. So they can just come here, they can experience the culture, they can experience the tea, coffee. Actually, we are hoping to see everyone here, like whenever you have time. Maybe we are busy or something, but you can just walk in and have Turkish tea, walk around, just enjoy the moment, enjoy the music. We want more people to see here. We are trying our best. So hopefully we can reach more people. Oh.